Hi, I'm Andrew, account executive at Abacum. Now that we've built our cohort model and set up forecasting, let's bring the data to life in spaces. This will help you track other cohort retention, customer trends, and performance over time, all at a glance. First, I'll go to the Spaces section and create a new space. Let's call this one Cohort, and I'll give it a different icon and set the status to In Progress. Now, I'll create a table and let's name it New Customers. Next, I'll open the Variables section. This will display my models, and from there, I'll find my cohort model. Under that, I'll select the New Customers variable and apply it. You can see all the levels of detail by month, by cohort month, by date, and so on. Since I want to see more than 1 month of data, I'll adjust the time frame. I'll select the last 12 months of actuals and apply that. Perfect. Now, let's add some conditional formatting. I'll go into the conditional colors, flip the color scheme to make it stand out, and select shades of green, and there we go. All the levels of detail are visible and color-coded nicely. I'll now save this table. Next, I want to bring in my retention rates. You can create a new table from scratch, but I prefer to duplicate the existing one. So I'll duplicate it, open the builder, and swap the variable. I'll remove New Customers, go back to my model, bring in retention rate, and click Apply. Once again, add a quick splash of color and rename this table to Retention Rate. Now, let's add total customers. Once again, I can duplicate one of the existing tables, open the builder, and rename it Total Customers. Just like before, I'll remove the old variable, bring in customers, and apply it. For variety, I'll change the colors, maybe a mellow red or a soft yellow and a bright green. Now we've got our total customers view. At this point, we have 3 tables: new customers, retention rates, total customers. Together, they provide a clear overview of cohort performance. You can also move these tables around to organize your layout however you like. But let's take it a step further and visualize the data in a chart. I'll duplicate the total customers table again. Now, instead of displaying it as a table, I'll change the visualization to a line chart. I'll set the cohort date as the level of detail for the chart and fill the area under the line to make trends more visible. This view clearly shows how your cohorts perform over time. And of course, there are plenty of other chart types available, so you can slice and visualize the data in whichever way works best for your analysis. So, using the existing tables, you can turn them into a chart to visualize your data. And if you'd like to see how this will apply for your business, let's hop on a call.